Hello everyone and welcome to another Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 4th of August around 10:38 p.m. Uh, 10:38 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with another Charts of the Day. Charts of the Day is a session within Elliott Wave forecast that every day present one instrument about that we cover, and we explain it in 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, so our followers are able to see our view and how we works and things of that nature. Today we're gonna talk about the DAX. DAX is part of Group 1. Members just click over here on Charts of Days, look for the DAX, and they're able to see from the weekly time frame to the daily time frame to the 4 hour time frame to the 1 hour time frame. They're able to see all the time frames and the expectation that we have in the market. So before jumping into the DAX, this is how a, a 5-way advance looks in the market. A 5 weeks is something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It makes 1 with parentheses. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 3 with parentheses. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 make 5 with parentheses and a 1 in the highest degree. So a 5 weeks is 5 subdivision of 5 weeks in less than degree. It makes a higher degree time frame, right? So technically, that is what a 5 weeks advance looks like, right? So the DAX, in our opinion, it is working. It is working. It is working right there. In a 5 weeks advance from the wave 2 lows on March the 23rd. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. In other words, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That is something that is called a nest. It's a little bit ugly, but it's something that is called a nest. From there, we see how the DAX is starting to extend. And we got in blue 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in lesser degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here up to here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in blue. Then from here up to here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in black. And then from here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And currently, the DAX is working in a wave 5 of from the cycles saying 323 right here. We use the RSI and we can see the lack of momentum over here. So that means overall that as far as that momentum between these highs and this low is holding, we are working on a wave 5. Shorter cycles of 1 hour from the lows on wave 4. What do we have? We have also a triple nest. We got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we got 3, 4, and the instrument should be extending there in a series of 4 and 5s. In other words, it should be finishing this cycle with new highs. It will pull back and do another high, and then uh, and then and then it should be right here another pullback to finish to do a wave 4 here in black, and then the DAX it will finish the cycle in the highest degree for this hour. So for now, what we're expecting is a little more upside in the DAX from July 17 and also from March 23rd before the market, after we finish this cycle and something like this, then the market will do a 3 weeks pullback before the trend renew. A very technical, well-defined pulse and easy to follow. If you like the video, I invite you guys all to go to the homepage of Elliott Wave Forecast and take the 14-day trial here for just 99 cents. Have a good night, everyone.